Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa man wala. Amma ba'd. Okay, now I will presentation about problem solving. It's about problem in learning at school and their solution. Um, Many students today struggle in the learning progress, not because they don't want to learn, but because of several obstacles. Learning should be a meaningful experience, not a burden. That's why we need to identify the problem and work together to solve them. And for next objective, uh, the first is to explain common learning problems faced by students, and the second is to provide practical solution for student, teacher, and school. And the third is to encourage collaboration in creating a better learning environment. The goal of this presentation is not just to describe the problem, but to find solution. If student, teacher, and parents work together, we can improve the quality of education and make learning more enjoyable. Next. Okay. The problem one. The first problem is lack of motivation, and the case is lesson feel boring or too difficult. And the second is teaching method are not engaging. And the third is student don't feel involved in class. And the last is audio. An effect is student lost interest and poor concentration and academic performance. The the first problem is lack of motivation. When lessons feel boring or disconnected from real life, students tend to lose interest. This is often caused by traditional teaching methods that don't actively involve students in the learning process. Next, the second problem is too many assessment cause process. Heavy workload from multiple subjects, and then no coordination between teachers and busy schedule with instructional and exam. And for effects, a student become physically and mentally exhausted, and then less time for rest, hobbies, or family. The the second problem is the overwhelming number of assessment. Students often achieve tasks from many subjects at once, and that can lead to stress and fatigue. Without proper time to rest, students can lose focus and burn out. And the third problem is lack of support at home. For the causes is the second problem is the overwhelming number of the third issue is the lack of support at home. Some students don't have the tools they need to study, like a quiet room or internet access. Others may not have parents who are able to guide or help them, which can make learning even more difficult. And for solution, for teacher, use more interactive methods like project, discussion, or games, and then coordinate with other teacher to manage assessment load. And for school, provide learning facilities like study room or internet access. And then over counseling and student mentoring programs. And for parents, support children study time at home and give instrument and motivation. For students, manage time with a regular study schedule and ask for help when needed. Solving this problem requires cooperation from everyone. Teacher can make classes more interesting by using fun and other. School can help students who like research, and parents can support learning at home. And the last, student themselves should stay motivated and not be afraid to ask for help. Mm, okay, maybe that's all. Sorry if I have many mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.